If you want to create an online payment app, then you have come to the right video. Here you will understand how a payment app can be used for making payment locally in a country like the way Venmo does in the United States, or a payment app which helps the local retail businesses with their payments like Paytm in India. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of what entrepreneurs need to know before venturing into the online payment app industry. You want to create a payment app, but what type of payment app do you envision? When asked this question, you might think of Venmo, Zelle, or Apple Pay. However, these apps belong to different categories within the payment app industry. Let's explore the various types of payment apps. Peer-to-peer payment apps. This includes apps like Venmo, Cash App, and Zelle, which can facilitate person-to-person transfers. Open-loop apps like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay fall into this category. They work across a wide range of retailers, using near-field communication or NFC for these transactions. Closed-loop apps. Here you can think of apps from Starbucks or Target. These apps serve specific businesses and often double as loyalty programs. Customers earn rewards while making seamless payments. Next, we come to the architecture that forms a payment app. It consists of the following components. Digital wallet, the heart of your app, where users store, transfer, and request funds. Payment gateway integration. It's the bridge between your app and financial networks. Security layers. It shields the user data and transactions from cyber threats. User-friendly UI, an intuitive design for seamless navigation. Now that you understand the essential components of a payment app, you can better appreciate the complexity and detail involved in its development. Each component must integrate seamlessly to ensure a smooth and secure user experience. To create a successful payment platform like Venmo, you need a technical partner like Brew Labs. Our highly skilled team of developers and designers leverages cutting-edge technologies and advanced AI to deliver an exceptional app with engaging user experiences. We will provide you with a robust admin panel for efficient management and control of customers and businesses across your payment app. Our dynamic customer app ensures seamless access for users, offering an uninterrupted experience. With our advanced technology suite, you can expect top-notch performance that sets your payment app apart from the competition. Upon completion of your payment app, we will transfer full ownership of the source code and intellectual property rights to you. If you are interested in creating your own payment app to enter the lucrative world of payment industry, then click the link in the video's description and fill the form on our website and schedule a free consultation and demo session with us today. Our team of experts will answer any questions you may have and provide a personalized demo tailored to your business needs. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.